Hey everybody, what's up? What's up? This is Risk Trader right here with Mining Trades, and I want to talk to you guys about how to use the Gator 30-minute scalping settings manually. Okay. Now, some of the things we're going to cover is when you should get in, when you should get out, and what are some of the things that confirm the direction, because we're just going to be using this method for a direction cue to scalp 1% or more trades, okay, in and out. Now we want to make sure we get over a third of a percent, okay? You don't want to close anything less than a third of a percent, because why? Because that's covering your commissions, okay? So anything above a third of a percent, matter of fact, just look at it this way. As soon as you place a trade, you're in a whole a third of a percent, okay? That's 0.33, or just say 0.40. The real number is 0.40, by the way. So remember, the last video I did, I was trading and I was taking 40%. 0.40 of a percent trades like that were like I was winning. I wasn't winning. No, it wasn't. I was like, damn, why is my account going down? But I keep getting all these good trades. And lesson learned. Now, moving on. Let's open up trade view. Boom. Bam. Thank you. All right. And we got already loaded up for us. Look. The Gator Scapler Strategy. I've named it Scapler, not Scalper, because it's not just a scalping strategy. Just what I'm doing right now is just developing a strategy for scalping right now, because I like to generate some income. And I figured this would be the easiest way to do it. All right. Now, I'll just move that down. And one thing I'm gonna run by it real quick. Now, the first signal we got is the Gator signal. Now, on this cell phone, we don't get our strategy tester, so we don't get anything on the chart saying sell here and buy there, but you do get our alerts trader indicator down here, which is telling us, we can take alerts off this. So it's for alert trader to automate the signals. So it's saying buy right here and it's saying sell right there. Okay. So we know that. So we got that signal to look at, and the last signal was a buy signal, so which was right there. All right. Now I'm gonna flip this thing on the side. I hope this doesn't mess up nothing. Oh, damn, I could have started off that way. All right, so let's go back a little bit. I want to get a good view of what's been happening with this price action lately. Okay, let's move back. All right, squish it up a little bit. Oh, we're in that little cup thing right there. Oh, okay, that's where we're at. All right, let's squish it back out. This is a 30-minute chart. All right, and we got sell here, then immediately turns into a buy. Wrong. Oh, no, you're right. Up here, and then he doesn't sell till this bar there. That's right. And then we got a sell right here. Then it turns into a buy signal. Okay. Now, you could have made money here, and you could have made money. We could make money on all these signals. Okay. And here's how. Now we got the signal, right? Right. Now, before I talk about that, the next obvious ones, which is this EMA line, and the fact that we're using Hakanashi values, candles, to show us which way the trend is going. That's also a confirmation. And we're also going to be looking at the the stochastic crossings right here to let us know, hey, we're going up, like right there, okay? So we got a cross up right here. We got a cross up down there. We got a cross up right here, okay? Boom. So I'm looking at the stochastic, I'm saying that's crossing up. Now, those are 3 confirmations, right? You got a green one, you got a price that's, now when the green candle is above the EMA, now we're talking about the EMA right now, and the candle, the Heikin-Ashi candle, and it's opened and it's closed above the EMA's value. When the open of the candle value is, and the close value of the candle are both over the value of the EMA, okay? And you got a crossover right here. And you got to go ahead and signal right here. What's missing? Nothing. You just got to learn, hey, where do I get in at? So on this side of the chart, I got a regular candle chart to match the Heikin-Ashi candle chart. And we're right here. And you want to, if you're really precision and precise and you really like trading on it, you know, where would you get in? We're right here. The cross. See, the cross. The crossing of the stochastic has occurred right there, okay, to the upside. And you got to ask yourself, where do I get in at? Well, the next bar pulled back, didn't it? Pulled back to where? And this is what I was going to lead into. It pulled back to the most important indicator or element of trading that you should be paying attention to, no matter what strategy you use, okay? Because this is the dominant thing. And that, my friends, is right here. Support and resistance, okay? What price is this? $39.52, okay. Support and resistance, right there, all right? There's a support and resistance level right there. There's one right here. There's one right there. Yeah, I see one right there. Come here. I'm gonna squish him out. And it's right there. Right there. Right. Go up a little bit more. Right there. Boom. 39.72. All right. But what's up with this? It came all the way down there. You could have got in right there, right? What's up with that? How do you find that? That resistance level, my friend, was right there. Right? But that's the slickest one out of the trades right there. Where do you come down at? Right there. Right here. Right there. Right there. There you go. Now, that's where we find that one. Okay? So, important. Here's one right here. Here's one right here. Okay, here's one right here. Or is it? Maybe it's just right there. Okay, so that being said, you know what value you're actually entering in by coming over here, okay? But I don't mind using the Heikin-Ashi value for a limit order, okay? Now this, I would have did fine with a limit order right here. Boom. I would have placed it at the low of the previous signal candle. All right, we get a signal right here. All right, and right here, I would have placed it at the low right here. Because now that's the previous signal candle, which is signified by that dot behind us. All right, now at the low, I would have been a buyer. Boom, okay. I would have got in at 39.86, okay. Could I have gotten in lower? Look, of course, look. But I didn't because I set a limit order for that value, okay. So I got filled at 39.86.9. And on derivative, you got to go multiples of 10, so it would have been something more like 39.80 or 39.90, okay. And we would have been $4 in profit right there because it would have been 39.80. No, I'm sorry. I'm thinking wrong. Multiples of 10 is for position size only. But you could have bought Bitcoin for 39.80, right? 39.86. I'm in there. Boom, we're up. Coming up. All right, bam. There you have it. So that is how you confirm direction. All right. And then where you want to get out at. All right. When you're long right here, I would be looking for the first place that will find resistance at. Which would be right up there. And then it comes down there. And then I'm like, oh, what's the difference? Is there a difference? Eddie Murphy. It's got to be. Boom. 420. Well, that was pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and cut this off. 10 minutes. That was nice, short, sweet, and succinct. I'm hoping this will be a supplement to the actual trading I'm going to be doing. I wanted to pull this from the side. I wanted to put this on the side of trading, because when I'm trading, I start talking about what I'm doing, and it gets lost in hours and hours and hours of footage. So me being able to pull this to the side right here will be my new methodology, my new method, all right? And that way you can know what I'm doing when I start trading later on today. All right, take care. Happy trading.